Good morning, fifth grade. In this unit, lesson 2-4, we're going to talk about converting units of measure using the metric system. So I have for you a metric conversion chart. I've posted this in the slides as well. So when you're using this metric conversion chart, I want to just take a look at this as a metric chart first, and then we'll go ahead and look at it in relationship to the place value chart. So this chart has basically the same categories as your place value chart. So you'll see milli, centi, deci. This is your unit, deca, hecto, and kilo. If we think of our unit as the ones place, we have everything this way is our decimal units, and everything this way is our whole numbers. So if we're thinking about this in terms of the place value chart, this is our ones place, this is our tenths, hundredths, thousandths. If we go this way, this is our ones place, this is our tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is just to help you kind of think about what these units are. It has a nice mnemonic device at the top. So to think of kilo for king, Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. This is a way to help you kind of put these in order if you needed to know how many places to go one way or the other. The other part of this chart that is super helpful is the bottom part where it tells you how many of each unit equal a unit. So if we're thinking about these over here, these are bigger than one whole. So that's why we have 1 kilo is 1,000 units. And a unit could be a meter, it could be a liter, or it could be a gram, just depending on what it is that we are going to be measuring. So 1 hecto, so a hectometer, a hectoliter, or a hectogram would be 1,000 or 100 ones. A deca, decameter, decaliter, decagram would be the same thing as 10 meters, liters, or grams. So that's what this means. So if we put 10 of them together, 10 units, we get a deca unit, or a decameter, decaliter, decagram. We put 100 together, we get 1 hectoliter, meter, or gram. And if we put 1,000 of them together, we get 1 kilogram, 1 kilometer, 1 kiloliter. If we go the opposite way on the chart, we see over here we have deci, centi, and milli. And this is the opposite because these are smaller than 1 unit. Just like our decimal side of the place value chart is smaller than 1 whole. So if I have a unit, I can cut it into 10 decimeters, deciliters, decigrams. If I have 1 unit, I can cut that into 100 pieces, or 100 centimeters, 100 centiliters, 100 centigrams. So just depending on what it is that we're measuring. If I have 1 unit, I can cut that into 1,000 millimeters, milligrams, milliliters. So just like the place value chart, when we're working with this side, we're looking at things that are smaller than 1 unit. And when we're looking at this side, we're looking at things that are larger than 1 unit.